Hi, I'm Ken Cutler, your Nevada County Public Health Officer, and I'd like to take a few minutes today to talk to you about cloth face coverings. As you know, we've always been asking people to cover their cough, cover their sneeze to limit the spread of infection from respiratory droplets. This is something we call source control. And recently it's been shown that people who have COVID-19 virus can transmit it to others when they either have very mild symptoms or sometimes even a day or two before those symptoms arrive. So this is even more reason to stay home if at all possible. Keep your physical distancing of 6 feet or more from others and wash your hands really frequently and disinfect surfaces. But now in addition, it's been recommended by the Centers for Disease Control and others that when you go out in public, you should cover your mouth and nose with a cloth face covering. That can be something that is sewn like this. It can be a scarf, a bandana. There are different options. And I encourage you to follow this guidance, but we're not making it mandatory, and here's why. If face coverings are used appropriately, they can help us decrease transmission in our community. However, if people are using those face coverings, then going out more, getting closer to others, that'll defeat the purpose. Plus, we should all be aware that there are shortages of surgical masks out there and N95 respirators, and those should be reserved for healthcare workers and first responders, those who are taking care of ill patients. It's also important to know that studies show that face coverings get contaminated both on the inside and the outside. So we don't want to be touching them and adjusting them and changing them. And we want to wash them frequently. So I urge you, if you use the face covering out in public, wash your hands before putting it on. Make sure you wash your hands after you put it on and every time you touch it. Personally, it took me some trial and error to find something that fits and that I'm not touching and adjusting frequently. So please use your face covering wisely and safely. And when you wear it, know that you're trying to protect others in those community. And when you see others wearing it, they're trying to protect you. We're all in this together.